Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw yellow from Rainbow Friends Chapter 2. So let's get started. To draw this new yellow monster, let's first start by drawing its head shape. So it's kind of like a triangle with two curves at the end. So I'm going to come about right here and start with a curve going up. So let's go ahead and go up nice and high. And I'm just going to create this long curve. Then from there, let's round off this little tip area a little bit, and I'm going to bring it down. And add a curve as well, and to about right there. So just kind of like you're drawing a beak. And I'm ending this short of this one right here because we're going to come back up here and we're going to draw two curves. So one bigger one, about right there, and then another one to finish it off. There. Okay, so now that you have this shape in, let's go ahead and say about right here in this area, I'm going to draw a big circle for the eyes. Here's some big giant eyes. So one big circle, and I'm going to come in and draw another circle. Okay, and then I'll come right here and draw a highlight and then shape this part all in. There's just some days when circles just are harder to draw than others. Okay, so now that we have the big eye in, I'm going to come back right here into this tip area and I'll just draw this little wobble for the mouth, just a little indication of a mouth. And I'll bring it right underneath the eye and cap it off. So I'm just giving a little wobble and curve up just to make it look friendlier and give like a smile, right? Okay, so then from there, we're gonna come back and about right here where the eye is, I'm gonna draw a curve for the neck area. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and finish it off, bring it in. Then there's this little shirt kind of thing that it's wearing. So I'm going to come right here, round this part off, come down to, let's see, we'll just leave it there for now. Then I'm going to come back into this area right here and draw a curve. So we're going to start the arms. So let's come about right here with this curve. We're going to bring it down. And just bring this down. So it's like these wings, long arms. So say about right there. I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. And I'll bring it down to about right there. Give it two little points. And a curve and connect. So right here, I'm going to connect it kind of like at the elbow. And bring it in. There. And then you can come back into this area, just bring this down a little bit more and just cut it off. So I just want to be able to cut it off where I don't have to draw too many details. So just hit part of the wing right here. Okay, so then from there, let's keep going down. And the back. So well, before I draw the back, let's come back here. I'm just going to start to curve this in. And let's draw the legs first. So about right there, I'm going to come here. I'm going to angle. And then come down for the knee. So right here, be the thigh area. Let's bring this down. Come down right here. And then about right here, I'm just going to pop this out with two zigzags for the feet and connect. And so let's do the same thing here. The other leg would be about right here and bring it down. So same thing and zigzag. So come out, zigzag and connect. there for the other leg. And so then we can continue this. Just imagine this is coming through the legs. And so then let's come back up right about here. And we can go ahead and draw the tail. So let's just curve it up and round off the tip. There. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the other arm. So I'll just come about right here, just round this part off, and then kind of same area where it bends. We're gonna come about right there. And once again, bring this down, zigzag, and then just pop it back in. There. Okay, so finally we're done. But now I'm done with the body. Now let's go ahead and draw this cool helicopter propeller, right? That makes it very special. We're gonna come back to the wing area about right here, close to the head. And I'm gonna come right here and draw a curve going up to about right there. Then I'll round this part off and go back and thicken this up. Now to draw the propellers. I'm just going to simplify it, but of course if you want to put in all the details, you definitely can to make it more, have more volume. But I'm just going to say about right here, give myself a point right in the center of this, and I'm going to come out to draw our 3 propellers. So about here, draw another angle and connect, and then one about right here. To play around with it, I'm not even sure if mine's exactly correct, like if it makes sense or not, but I just want the propellers to kind of be in the center of this. So take a look at your propellers and see. And so I'm going to put another one about right here and here. It's about right. I have no idea. Okay, so there I have my propeller in, and you know what? Let's just go ahead and draw a soft curve over the eye, and I'm going to add a little heart right here to make this new bird monster, yellow bird monster from Rainbow Friends Chapter 2. I really hope I helped you draw this new monster fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.